Hey there, Stoic Sage. Welcome back to our channel. Subscribe this channel. Let's go to new topic. Absolutely. If you're naturally quiet or introverted, there are some powerful ways to earn respect without changing who you are. Stoicism offers strategies to help you command respect through calm confidence, deep presence, and controlled power, rather than loud words or overt charisma. Here's a deep dive into how Stoic principles can help you stand tall, earn respect, and make a lasting impression, all without having to say much. 1. Exude calm confidence. Stoic insight. One of the core teachings of Stoicism is apatheia, or calmness in the face of adversity. Stoics believe in the power of remaining composed no matter the situation. Application. People respect those who are not easily rattled. When others are nervous or stressed, your calmness will speak volumes about your inner strength. Practice staying grounded in stressful situations and let others see that you're someone who keeps a level head. This steadiness quietly communicates that you're strong, resilient, and worth respecting. 2. Listen intently and observe Stoic insight. The Stoics were very aware of the value of silence and listening. Epictetus, for example, advised people to speak only when necessary and always to seek to understand more. Application. Listening intently shows respect, and people instinctively reciprocate it. Being a quiet observer also means you pick up on details others miss, which can give you an edge. People will come to value your perspective when they realize you've been truly absorbing what's happening around you. By being a good listener, you develop a quiet power, making others feel heard, understood, and in turn, respect you. 3. Practice humility and don't seek validation. Stoic insight, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of inner validation over seeking approval. Marcus Aurelius wrote extensively about the importance of doing good for its own sake and not to gain recognition. Application. Quiet confidence is magnetic because it doesn't seek attention or approval. Rather than trying to impress others, focus on being the best version of yourself. This self-assuredness will draw respect, as people naturally admire those who don't need to shout to prove their worth. 4. Stay composed and don't react emotionally. Stoic insight. The Stoics believed in responding to situations thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. This self-control allows you to handle even heated moments with dignity. Application. Instead of being quick to anger or defensive, keep your responses calm and measured. When others see that you're not easily provoked or flustered, they'll see you as someone who is in control of their emotions and therefore worthy of respect. This quiet composure makes you a stabilizing force in any situation. 5. Cultivate an aura of integrity. Stoic insight. Stoics held themselves to high ethical standards, believing that integrity is fundamental to a good life. They were dedicated to living according to their values, even if it meant standing alone. Application. Be honest, dependable, and stand by your principles. People respect someone who is consistent and trustworthy. When you do what's right without seeking recognition, it speaks volumes about your character. Over time, your integrity will earn you a reputation for being someone people can trust and admire, even if you're quiet. 6. Choose your words carefully. Stoic insight. The Stoics believed in the power of silence, recommending that we speak only when we have something of value to say. Epictetus encourages followers to be silent or let their words be worth more than silence. Application. Instead of talking just to fill the air, speak with purpose. When you say something, make sure it's meaningful, concise, and clear. People will start to listen closely to what you say because they know you don't waste words. The less you speak, the more powerful your words become when you do choose to share them. 7. Embody patience and self-control. Stoic insight. Patience and self-control are key Stoic virtues. Stoics practice prososche, the continuous self-awareness that keeps them mindful and present. Application. Demonstrate patience, even when situations are frustrating. People respect those who aren't easily frazzled or pressured into hasty decisions. This patience shows that you're not ruled by impulse, making you appear wise and level-headed. Self-control also keeps you from saying things you might regret, which can damage respect. 8. Pursue quiet strength through actions, not words. Stoic insight. Stoicism is all about action over words. Marcus Aurelius advised to waste no more time arguing about what a good person should be. Be one. Application. Instead of boasting about your accomplishments, let your actions speak for themselves. Quietly work hard, stay disciplined, and people will take notice without you having to promote yourself. When others see you achieving or standing firm without seeking applause, it earns you deep respect. They'll see you as someone who doesn't need approval to be successful. 9. Practice voluntary discomfort. Stoic insight. The Stoics often practice voluntary discomfort, e.g., fasting, cold exposure, to build resilience. They believed in building internal strength so they could handle life's inevitable hardships. Application. Practice self-discipline and learn to embrace discomfort. This doesn't need to be public, but over time it will develop a mental toughness that others will notice. When you're the one who doesn't complain during tough times, others will respect your quiet resilience and admire your inner strength. 10. Don't be afraid of silence. Stoic insight. Silence was highly valued by Stoics as a means of cultivating inner peace and reflection. They believed silence was not empty, but filled with wisdom. Application. Embrace silence as a natural part of communication. Many people are uncomfortable with silence, but if you can sit comfortably in it, it conveys confidence. When you're not afraid of pauses, people see that you're thoughtful, reflective, and secure. In a way, your silence speaks louder than words and can make others respect the depth you bring into conversations. 11. Align actions with a sense of purpose. Stoic insight. Stoics placed great emphasis on living according to one's personal purpose or nature. Marcus Aurelius often wrote about the importance of aligning one's actions with a higher purpose. Application. Know your purpose and values and align your actions with them. This clarity gives you a powerful presence that others notice, even if you don't talk much. People respect someone who lives with purpose, and it makes you seem wise, intentional, and worthy of admiration. 12th. Hold yourself to high standards. Stoic insight. Stoicism is about holding yourself accountable to the highest standards and constantly seeking self-improvement. Stoics believed that self-discipline and accountability were crucial for a meaningful life. Application. Quietly hold yourself to a high standard in everything you do, from the quality of your work to your interactions with others. People will notice this commitment to excellence, even if you're not vocal about it. The quiet dedication to self-improvement is an inspiration to others and will lead them to respect you as someone who is always striving for the best. Final takeaway. You don't need to be loud to be respected. Stoicism teaches that true respect comes from within, by embodying resilience, calmness, and a commitment to self-mastery. Through patience, humility, and controlled action, you can command respect in a way that's far deeper than mere words or attention-grabbing behavior ever could. Your quiet strength, guided by Stoic principles, will create a lasting impression and earn you the respect of others naturally.